Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to manage your visibility on Facebook, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, let's simply open up your Facebook app and tap at the profile picture in the top right corner to come to that menu section. Once you come to your menu section, just simply tap at the gear in the top right corner to open up your settings and privacy. Once you come to your settings and privacy, just simply tap at privacy checkup. In privacy checkup, select the third option of how people can find you on Facebook, means your visibility on Facebook. After that, tap at continue. And from here, you can set that who can send you the friend request. Just simply tap on it. There are two options, friends of friends or everyone. Everyone means like each and every people on Facebook have access to send you the friend request. If you set it to friends of friends, only the people who have the some little bit of sense with you, like they are the friends of your Facebook friends, so they will able to send you the notification only to you. Once done with this, just simply tap at next. From here, you can set the visibility of your phone number by tapping on it. You can set it to only me, means no one else will be able to see your phone number on your Facebook profile. And you can like change the different visibility according to your requirements. Once you're done with it, just simply here you can also change the visibility of your email address over there. Here you can see also you have the same visibility option, means your audience on Facebook. Just from here simply select the visibility according to your requirements and tap at next. Once you're done with these both steps, just simply tap at review another topic. So that's how you can simply set your or manage your visibility on Facebook. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you think that this video helped you and you learn how to manage your visibility on Facebook, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and if you have any question, just leave in the comment section below and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys, do not forget to check the latest video and the end screen. Goodbye till the next video.